Hey Houston, it's Haley with the Harper and Higgins team with Keller Williams Memorial. Just wanted to give you a quick update here regarding the project. The tile has been started to be laid in the bathroom and cabinets were installed. The crown molding and baseboards were placed and all woodwork were prepped for paint. Caulked, primed, then puttied and on their way to receiving the base coat. And the windows were stained. Short and sweet for this week. Thank you so much for joining us. The Harper and Higgins team with Keller Williams have a ton going on this summer. We hope you all have a great Memorial weekend. Thank you to those that have sacrificed for our country, and may God bless America.
Of America, it's a high school prom, it's a Springsteen song, it's a ride in a Chevrolet. It's a man on the moon and fireflies in June and kids selling lemonade. It's cities and farms, it's open arms, one nation under God. It's America.